Welcome, everyone. Have you ever wondered what would happen to your loved ones if something unexpected happened to you? Today, we're diving into a topic that can bring peace of mind and financial security, understanding life insurance and its benefits. Whether you're just starting out in your career, building a family, or planning for retirement, life insurance might be one of the smartest decisions you make. Let's break it down step by step, shall we? First off, what exactly is life insurance? At its core, life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay regular premiums. Think of them as monthly or annual payments. And in return, the company promises to pay out a lump sum known as the death benefit to your chosen beneficiaries if you pass away during the policy term. It's not about betting on death. It's about protecting the people you care about from financial hardship. Imagine this. Without it, your family might struggle with mortgage payments, education costs, or even daily expenses. Life insurance steps in to fill that gap, providing a safety net when it's needed most. Now, let's talk about the different types of life insurance, because not all policies are created equal. The two main categories are term life and permanent life insurance. Term life is straightforward and affordable. It's like renting protection for a specific period, say 10, 20, or 30 years. If you pass away within that term, your beneficiaries get the payout. But if you outlive the term, the policy simply expires, no payout. It's ideal for young families or those with temporary needs, like paying off a loan. On the other hand, permanent life insurance offers lifelong coverage as long as you keep paying the premiums. This includes whole life, universal life, and variable life policies. Whole life, for example, builds cash value over time. A portion of your premiums grows like a savings account, which you can borrow against or withdraw. Universal life gives you flexibility to adjust premiums and benefits, while variable life lets you invest the cash value in stocks or bonds for potential growth. Sure, permanent policies cost more upfront, but they provide that extra layer of security and even act as an investment tool. Which one is right for you? It depends on your goals, budget, and life stage. Consulting a financial advisor can help clarify that. So, why bother with life insurance at all? The benefits go far beyond just a payout. Number 1, financial protection for your family. If you're the primary breadwinner, life insurance ensures your spouse, kids, or even aging parents aren't left in a lurch. It can cover funeral costs, which average around $7,000 to $12,000, debts, lost income, and more. Peace of mind? Priceless. Benefit number 2, tax advantages. In most cases, the death benefit is paid out tax-free to your beneficiaries. Plus, with permanent policies, the cash value grows on a tax-deferred basis, meaning you don't pay taxes on the growth until you withdraw it. That's a win for long-term planning. Another key perk is estate planning. Life insurance can help minimize estate taxes, ensuring more of your wealth goes to your heirs rather than the government. For business owners, it can fund buy-sell agreements or provide liquidity to keep the company running smoothly after your passing. And let's not forget about living benefits. Some modern policies include riders, optional add-ons, that let you access funds while you're still alive. For instance, if you're diagnosed with a terminal illness, an accelerated death benefit rider allows you to tap into the payout early for medical bills or quality of life expenses. Critical illness riders cover things like heart attacks or cancer, giving you financial support during tough times. But hold on. Are there any downsides? Well, premiums can add up, especially if you're older or have health issues. That's why it's smart to shop around early, when you're healthy, to lock in lower rates. Also, understand the fine print. Some policies have exclusions, like suicide clauses in the first 2 years or requirements for medical exams. Don't let myths hold you back, though. Life insurance isn't just for the wealthy. Affordable options exist for everyone. And no, it's not a waste if you never use it. That's like saying car insurance is useless because you didn't crash. In summary, life insurance is more than a policy. It's a promise to protect what matters most. It offers financial security, tax perks, and even living benefits that can make a real difference. If you're ready to explore your options, start by assessing your needs. How much coverage do you want? Who are your beneficiaries? Tools like online calculators can give you a ballpark figure, but speaking with a licensed agent is the next step. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand life insurance better, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below. What's one question you still have about life insurance? I'd love to hear from you. Stay protected and see you in the next video.